After registering on Panxora's website, click on this button. Step 1 and Step 2. Please make sure to fill in all the required fields, especially title and first line of address. Also use a Latin character set only to fill in the blanks. Step 3. Proof of identity has to be a valid and official document with a picture. For example, a passport, government ID, or a driving license. Proof of address. Proof of address needs to be a bank or credit card statement, utility or phone bill. It must be less than 3 months old. For example, if you're uploading the document in December, your statement should not be older than September. Furthermore, if any of the document is not in English, please add the translation to speed up the process. Step 4. Please fill in your mobile phone number and click the button that will send an authentication code by an SMS and an email. Please check your junk folder. Enter that into the box below to complete your application. This is part of the withdrawal security. Thank you for watching the video. Please use our social media channels or live chat to ask questions.